Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate reviews management with Podium for local SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate reviews management with Podium for local SEO, start by visiting the Podium website. Create an account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the reviews section on the left sidebar. Click on Settings within the Reviews section. You will see various options for managing your reviews. Select integrations to connect your social media and review platforms. Link your Google and Facebook accounts to streamline your review collection. Now, head back to the Reviews section. Configure your review request messages to make them more engaging. Personalize your messages with the customer's name and relevant details. After setting up your messages, determine the timing for sending review requests. Consider sending requests shortly after a customer interaction or purchase. Next, enable the automatic review request feature for efficiency. This will ensure that customers receive requests without manual intervention. Once your settings are adjusted, activate the review management feature. Monitor incoming reviews from the dashboard in real time. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews to show engagement. Use the insights from your reviews to enhance your local SEO strategy. Regularly analyze your review performance to identify trends. Incorporate customer feedback into your overall business strategy. Finally, consistently update your review management process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.